Hey guys, welcome. We have a brand new C8 Corvette Stingray in. It's in for a full front paint protection film wrap. As you can see these little stickers all over it are just indicating some defects on the paint that we're going to remove prior to the film. So this is a before kind of video, before and after video, and it's just going to show you what the car looks like before we actually put film on it, and then we're going to polish the rest of the paint. But just to let you know, this is what we do to every single car before we put paint protection film on it. We inspect it heavily after our process, our full car wash prep process. After we do that, we inspect the paint for any kind of defects. What we're looking for is just nibs and swirls and stuff in the paint, because we want to remove that before we apply the film. So this is just a short video, just showing you the before and then showing you the after. So enjoy. Here we are, the C8 is complete. You can check it out, looking pretty shiny here. Just gonna get into some details. The kit for Xpel is really good. We actually did a nice front nose. We deleted the pattern shape on here, so we actually custom fitted it and put it back on. You see no edges on there. Headlights were done in custom too, just because we want to get that film all the way to the edge. Same thing with the fenders. We actually customized the pattern for a better fit. You can actually see no lines in anything right here because we get it really close to the edge. And on the hood, we actually wrap the film up underneath, and then we cap it on the edge right here. So we get maximum coverage. You can see the small edge right there. And we're still doing some touch-ups on her. We may trim that back just to be safe. Fenders, front end, all the film came out spectacular. We also did some touch-up on it. And she looks good, ready for the roads. Sebring Orange. Xpel Ultimate Plus. Alright guys, let's talk defects. The defects were removed out of this car before we put the film on. As you can see, the paint looks really good. We did do a nice one-step polish to it and removed a few other defects that were on the paint. And just kind of gave it a nice spray sealant of Modesta M1 shot. And we cleaned up the wheels a little bit, gave it a nice interior, cleaned all the windows, polished the exhaust pipes. You know, standard stuff for a detail shop. But look at that gloss. Paint looks awesome on these cars. Sebring Orange.